friends, it's Miss Tipton, and I am back with our last math lesson of this week about comparing numbers. So today I would like to teach you a new strategy, which means a new way to figure out how we can compare numbers. So here you're going to see 10 frames that we're going to use to compare our numbers. This problem tells us 7 or 9. And we want to figure out which is less. So if you're not sure by looking at these numbers, something you could do is color in boxes on a 10 frame or use counters to put in each box. So we're going to color in 7 boxes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we've got 7 boxes over there. And now we're going to color in 9 boxes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now we can look at both of these 10 frames, and which one do you think has less? We know this one has less because look, it has more empty boxes than this one because this one's a smaller number. So this one has less. Okay, let's do one more example. 10 or 0, which is less? You might already know the answer, but we're going to color in our 10 frames just to check. Okay, this one has 10, so we're going to color in all 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That fills in all of our frames, or 0. So should I color any in? No, because 0 means none. So which is less? Which one has less boxes colored in? This one doesn't have any, so we know that 0 is less. 0 is a smaller number than 10 because 10 is more. Awesome. We're going to keep on going. Now we're going to go on to page 156. Okay, on this page, we are going to count how many dots we see, and then we're going to compare that number to the number over here. So let's count how many blue dots we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see 6 over here. So now let's compare 6 or 5. Which is less? Which one's a smaller number, 6 or 5? We know that 5 is a smaller number than 6, which means 5 is less. Okay, now let's look at these yellow dots. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see 5 yellow dots. So which is less? 5 or 7? Which one's the smaller number, 5 or 7? 5 is the smaller number. 5 is less than 7. All right, and we've got one more problem to look at. Let's count these red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which is less? 9 or 10? Which one's the smaller number? 9 is the smaller number. 9 is less than 10. 10's a bigger number than 9. All right, so when you look at this page, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to find which one has less. All right, and then you can also do this page as some extra practice. Since we'll be taking our comprehension check tomorrow, this will be some extra practice where you can compare which number is greater or more and which one is less or fewer. Okay, I will see you later. Have fun doing your workbook pages.